Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the difference between affect and effect. These two words have confused people so much that they have started using impact as a substitute for these words. I will say it's a smart choice. But won't it be good to learn these two words and the difference between them also? So let's begin today's class. Affect with A is a verb. Verb means action. So when one thing is trying to change or impact the other thing, we can use the word affect. For example, X affects Y. I'll give you proper examples also, but firstly try to understand. X is affecting Y means X is trying to impact or change Y. So we will use the word affect here with A. Let's take one proper example also now. Noise pollution is affecting my sleep quality. This means that noise pollution is impacting or changing my sleep quality. Earlier it was good, the quality of the sleep, and now it's getting changed. So affect, X is doing action on Y. X is affecting Y. Let's take one more example. Recent tsunami has affected many people of that place. Recent tsunami has affected many people of that place. Again, a change, an impact created by tsunami on the lives of people of that place. Fine. What I have told you is usage of the word affect as a verb. This word can also be used as a noun, but its uses as a noun are very limited. So I won't discuss them here. Okay, as of now in English context, mostly the word affect is used as a verb. So please keep that thing in mind. Now let's go to the word effect. Effect with E is a noun. Noun is a name. Now let's take that equation again. X affects Y. When X is changing Y, the result of that change, the consequence of that change is known as effect. Let's understand effect now with some examples. Example 1. The effect of lack of sleep is bad health. The effect of lack of sleep is bad health. Here we are using the word effect as a noun, as a name. The effect of lack of sleep. So Y is getting affected by X. The effect of lack of sleep is bad health. Right? Let's take one more example. His weight gain is an effect of lockdown. Have you understood the difference now? One is verb, affect is verb, and effect is the result or consequence of effect. Now how to remember these two words? How to remember that which is noun and which is verb? Please remember it in this way. A for action and A for effect. And A comes before E. So firstly action will take place and then its result will come. So action is effect and result is effect. I hope you have understood today's class and now you will not use the word impact as a substitute for these two. If you still have any confusion, this last example will help you a lot. Ram affects Shyam and Shyam feels the effect of Ram's action. This example, in spite of X and Y, will give you some more clarity. Don't forget that A comes before E. So action comes before effect. Action is effect. I hope I have given you some clarity today. If you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. This is Anushree signing off. Thank you.